In this video, we will go over the setup and installation of your retractable tie-downs for your wheelchair-accessible van. To install, simply place your retractable tie-down into your vehicle's floor track. Click it to either right or left until it latches into place. Once your mobility device is in the wanted position, simply push down on the red release lever, pull your strap and connect it to the strongest part of the power chair. Then twist your tightening knob 2 to 3 times. Repeat these steps on the other 3 sides of the power chair. Now you can use the factory seatbelt to buckle up the passenger. To release the straps from the power chair, simply push down on the red button, pull on your strap, and you're good to go. Other strapping methods include manual straps. For further questions, give AutoMobility Store a call at 800-431-3183.